Hi, to enter and exit Fastboot Mode on your Vivo V40, as a first step we need to trigger power off menu. And for that, find the power button and volume up buttons which are located on the right side of the phone, and we need to press and hold them till we see the power off menu appears on the screen. So here select to power off your phone, and when this screen will be completely turned off, we would need to press and hold power and volume up buttons again till you see the fast boot option. So now we are continue to holding, and yeah, here is the fast boot. So to go through this menu, you would need to use volume down or volume up, and to confirm your choice, just press the power button. Here you can enter recovery mode, and to exit this fast boot mode, you would need to select to reboot it. Confirm by pressing the power button, and now it will turn off, and within a couple of seconds turn on again, and you would be able to use it as you would normally do. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.